This morning, Namibia woke to the news of the passing of the founding President Sam Nujoma. Founding President Sam Nujoma was a revered leader within the Namibian political landscape and was the founding president of the Republic of Namibia at independence at 1990. It is this strong leadership ability that Sam Nujoma possessed that enabled him to steer Namibia into a direction of peace, unity, and tranquility for decades after a gruesome apartheid era. Prime Minister Sarah Madida alluded to the fact that had it not been for the strong leadership abilities of Sam Nujoma, Namibia could have seen the same fate similar to that of DRC, Palestine, and others that are ravaged by war.
That established a united Namibian nation from different ethnic groups that were segregated and incited against one another into a unified and peaceful nation. And when you look around what is going on in the world today, in the Palestinian territory, in the DRC close to home, then you start to appreciate the importance of peace and unity. And you start to appreciate the efforts that went into making us a peaceful nation, because we had all the ingredients of a nation that is at war with itself. We could have gone into a bloody civil war if we did not have leaders of the caliber of the founding president. We thank God for him. We thank the family for supporting him and availing him to Namibia.
Sam Nujoma was 95 years and is survived by his wife, Meme Kovambo Nujoma, and his two sons.